Welcome back in accordance for another video. In today's video is a YouTube collab, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So this is for the hashtag womenwhocollab group. We have a group on Instagram. We come together each week and we post on Thursdays. I'm the host of this collab until the regular host comes back. The regular host is Mary Makeup number 2, but I decided to take over for her since she's been busy and, she hadn't had time to, so I've become the host. We usually pick women who pick our makeup, where we would send them palettes and then they pick the palette in the 5 shades. But this month we wanted to do themes again. So we did green for the color because every month we're doing a different color, so we decided to do green. So I decided to create this St. Patrick's Day look. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out really cool looking and really love how I did. But let me know your thoughts. So that's what we decided to do for this month is we tried to do colors. So last week I didn't get to get a part of it, but it was light blue. This week is green, and then there's 2 other colors. So I don't know if we're going to do that here on out, or if we're going to do themes, or whatever we decide to do, but just stay tuned for that. I will link everybody that's in this cloud down below to their channel, their link to their video, so make sure you do go check them out and show them some love and tell them I sent you. They'll really appreciate that. Also, if I haven't got everybody's link yet, just click that hashtag, which is hashtag womenwhocollab, and you can see their videos that way, because we do post different times on Thursday. So now let's talk about what makeup I used today. So the first thing I use is this palette, the Who My Generation, the 6T color eyeshadow palette. It's by CAI. I think you can get this on Amazon, but I will link it in my Amazon storefront as well as link itself. But here's what the palette looks like. It's a whole rainbow, but it's all matte. So if you're not really a shimmer person, this is a palette for you. I use this dark green right here, and then to help with that shade out, I use the light green. I put this green in the outer part of my crease, blended it out some, and then I used the light green to blend out that shade. So that's all I use from this palette. I don't know the band or anything. My mom just got it for me because of the rainbow, but it is a band inspired palette. But it's really good. I really love it. Here's what the shades look like. And then I didn't have no shimmer, so I decided to take out a highlighter palette because it has the pretty green shimmer that I wanted to use on the lid. So it's by Face Candy. It's the Unicorn Glow Highlighting Palette. I used Wonder, which is this shade right here, on the lid. It's such a pretty shimmer. Here's a swatch of it. It's like a green color. And it's really pretty, so I decided to use that for the lid. And then for my inner corner, I used Dream because Dream is like an orangey gold color. So I did that on my inner corner and under my brow bone just to tie like, gold to this St. Patrick's Day look. And then I took the YC collection, the Island eyeliner for the wig, because some people said that if you do lashes, to put a liner on before you do lashes, and it will help it blend better and stuff like that. So I decided to use that for today. But here's what the color looks like. I did my best on that. I'm not really good at wig liners, but I tried my best. And why it looks like this on this side is because when I open my eye, it's straight across. I do have hooded eyes, so that's what I recommend you to do. Don't make it perfectly when you have your eyes closed. Make it look like this. And then when you open your eyes, it'll be straight. And what's also cool about this liner, it does have a smudge brush, so just in case you like the smudge effect of liners, you can do that. So that's all for the liner look. Sorry, I had to pause it. The liner I use, and then the mascara I use is the Lancome Hyper Nose Drama. Looks like this. I use that as a base for my lashes before I did the false lashes. The glue I use is by LA Colors. It's the clear lash glue. I really recommend this stuff. It's really good. And then the lashes I use is by Lashaholic. It is in the in the style Elevate. Now there is a glue in here, but I had a problem with that glue, so I did not use it. But there is a glue in there for people that want to use that with the glue. Then I use the NYX Professional Makeup. This is Juice Gloss, the coconut chill one. I just wanted something. I don't really have a green lippy, and I just decided to use this gloss to make it easy for me. And the last thing I did is I used the MOB Beauty Set It Up setting spray to set my face. And that is all the makeup items I use. I will have them all linked down below for y'all so y'all can get it for y'all. So they're just links to get there, no affiliate links or anything. But I do have a affiliate link, it'll be down below at the bottom with the code site, so you know if you do use that link code, you get a small percentage off your order. I get a small commission, so it helps out a lot, but you don't have to use it. I will link the product itself. I'll also link my Amazon storefront in the top link in the description. So if you do want to check out my Amazon shop, please do. That is an affiliate link, so I do get a percentage if you do shop through that link. So please do that. And I also forgot to mention, because I was too busy, what makeup I use. I did use the same green that I used on my eyes to create the hat and the clover. And then for the hat, I used the black liner that I used on my eyes. And then I did a little bit, I don't know how well you can see because it's so light, but I did a yellow color to represent like gold. I forgot to mention that. But that is all the makeup I used today. Now let's talk about what I'm wearing today. So the first thing I'm wearing is this cute little headband because I thought it'd be perfectly like a spring color headband. It's flowers. It's so cute. I love this headband. Then I'm using this My Kitched, I think that's how you say it, clips. They're like that to pin back my bangs because I need to get them on my face. Then I'm just wearing this Rhodes top that's like a green color to tie the green look, and it matches this headband perfectly. That's why I wear it all the time together. But I really love these and together, and I love showing y'all what I'm wearing today. So if y'all do, I don't know if I can show links, but I will link these hair clips for y'all if y'all need some no crease hair clips. I really recommend these. They're really good. I love the brand, and I think I do have a code for them, so I will link that down below as well for y'all, just in case y'all do want to save some money on your order. And I think that's it for what I wear today and for today's video. So if you got this far in the video, enjoy it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below, let's say your favorite green emoji. And I know I did that before, but let's do it again. Just to tie the look. So please leave that. Or, St. Patrick's Day emoji as well if you want to do it that way. To be shouted in the next video below my channel. If you want to see me shout in the previous video below my channel, check out the channel's checkout section and show those below. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. If they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel and tell them I sent you. And if they're a subscriber, go find their comment in the comment section and tell them that you're grateful for their support for the unicorn family. So they know. This is just a way for me to say thank you for all the unicorns who show my videos the support and watch my videos in full. It really does help out a lot. And I love shouting you all out so y'all can get noticed, and for my unicorns to get to know more people that's in the family. And if you don't want to leave that emoji, just say you watched the full, and you'll also be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for YouTube collabs, just in case you want to watch past these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. You can check out that playlist and watch it. It does help out watch time hours, so if you have any free time, please do watch that playlist and help out with my channel. It will mean the world to me. I really appreciate all the help on there because I'm trying to get monetized, and I'm also trying to hit 2K, so please, all your help, please do help. Share me out to your friends and family as well so they can watch me if you see something that they will like. Also, I forgot to mention that this is an open collab that you can join in. All you have to do is DM me over there on Instagram. I'll add you to the group, and you can add me to the group and post on Thursdays. All you have to do is put the hashtag put the hashtag womenwhocollab in your title and tag everybody that's in the collab, and you post anytime on Thursdays. And in the group, you just send your picture and link. And so I have it. So I can do a collage and have your link in the description. So I would love to see anybody join in on this collab. We have such a fun time, and we had to do different things here and there. So y'all will really appreciate that. Let me know in the comments if you do enjoy this collab. I'll love to know. And I think that's all the information I have to say. I don't think I missed anything. If I did, just check out the description. All the information that's for this video is linked down below. All the information about my channel is linked down below. If you want to get through leaks quicker, you could go to my page, and the links will be down right in the bio section of my channel. So you know, that's just some tips. If you want to help support the channel money wise, there is a section in my description for y'all that says help support the YouTube channel, just in case you want to do that. My Patreon's linked down there, my Cash App, um, all that stuff. So just please check that out if you want to support that way. You don't have to, but it's there for y'all just in case y'all do. But all your likes, comments, subscribing, sharing really does mean the world to me. So yeah. And I think that's it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my green inspired makeup look for St. Patrick's Day. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. I think it turned out really cute, and I love the touch of St. Patrick's Day I did on my forehead. I just tried to do something a little bit differently this week for this collab and for St. Patrick's Day look. And I also forgot to mention that in the video. Sorry, I keep forgetting to mention things. If you do recreate any of my looks on this month or any other months that I do, please tag me. I like to go check it out and show it some love and shout you out my community tab here on YouTube or my Instagram story over there on Instagram. I love seeing that who got inspired me and inspired by me and what your take on it is. So please do tag me so I can go check it out. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.